I always love how you smell. I know you purchase both, but what's the difference between the body splash and the concentrated cologne spray?
The body splash and purse spray are water-based sprays with fragrance oil. They're perfect for refreshing your scent throughout the day or layering with other products. You can spray it on your skin or clothes, but it's designed to be a layering agent, but some use it as a standalone.
Got it. So, it's more of a complement to the main fragrance. What about the concentrated cologne spray?
The concentrated spray is a stronger version of our fragrance with a longer sealage. It's great for standalone use. You can spray it on your clothes from 2 to 3 feet away as well, but do not spray on delicate light garments.
That sounds amazing. What's the difference in composition between the two?
The body splash and purse spray have a lower concentration of fragrance oil, usually around 10%. The concentrated cologne spray has anywhere from 25 to 50% fragrance oil, making it more potent and long-lasting.
Wow, that's good to know. So, which one should I use as my main fragrance?
If you want a longer-lasting scent, I would recommend the concentrated cologne spray. But if you want something lighter and more refreshing, the body splash and purse spray are perfect for layering or refreshing your scent throughout the day.
Thanks for the advice. I'll definitely have to try both.
No problem. I'm glad I could help you make up your mind.